Hello everyone, this is Shruti Saxena Das, and in today's video we are going to discuss about binary tree traversal. So in the previous video we have already discussed what binary tree is. So binary tree is a tree in which you can have at most two children. Two children. You can have 0 or either one child or two children. So these are the only cases in the binary tree. So today we are going to see how can you traverse all the nodes in a binary tree. So traversal means that how can you visit all the nodes of the tree. So basically traversal is a process in which we can visit all the nodes. So it's a process to visit all the nodes of the tree. Okay, so you have to explore all the nodes which are present in the tree and we can display it. So this process of exploring all the nodes and printing it is known as traversal. So there are 3 ways in case of trees in which we can explore all the nodes. So there are 3 ways. First one is in order traversal. Okay, so first of all we'll take one tree. So this is a tree, root node is A. Then F. Suppose this is the tree. We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nodes. Total 6 nodes are there, and A is the root node and leaf nodes are D, E, F. B and C are internal nodes, and C is not having any right child. So this is the tree which we are going to take for the example, and we'll start with the in order traversal. So in order traversal, the order of visiting nodes is that first of all we have to traverse left subtree. So first of all we'll traverse the left subtree. After that we'll visit the root node, which is A in this case, and then we'll move on to visit right subtree. Not exactly visit. Visit is used only for a single node, like for root node. Right subtree, when we are talking for whole subtree, then we'll say traversing the right subtree. Okay, so we'll start with this. Now see, in order traversal, first of all we have to traverse the left subtree. That means we have to traverse this part. Okay, so control will come to the left subtree of A. Now in left subtree again we are having, consider this subtree as a tree, full tree. Okay, so here the root is B. For B, left child is D and right child is E. Okay, and for D we are not having any further child, or for E we are not having any further child. So we'll consider this one as a tree, and B is the root for this subtree, D is the left child, E is the right child. So we'll start with traversing the left subtree of A. Now in this part you can see, when we'll apply this in order traversal, what will happen? That we have to first traverse left subtree. So for B, left is D. So first node which will be traversed will be D. After that visit root node. So root node is B. Then traverse right subtree. So for B, right is E. So E will be traversed. Now you can see that we have visited D, B, E. That means A's left subtree is traversed now. Now left subtree is traversed. Now the next thing is you have to traverse root node. So we'll visit the root node. A will be visited. After that, third step is traverse right subtree. Right subtree means this part. So this part means C and F. So again control will go to this right subtree. We'll treat it as a separate tree in which C is the root node and F is the left child. Now there is no more further node, so we'll only see this part. So C is the root, F is the left child. Again we'll apply the whole in order traversal in this subtree. So first of all we have to traverse the left part. So left is F, then root, root is C, and then right. We don't have anything in right, so simply this will be your in order traversal for this tree. Okay, so like this you have to traverse. First of all you have to traverse the left subtree. When the control will go to the left subtree, then that subtree will be treated as a tree, a separate tree. Again you have to check left, root, right. Then after completing it you have to move to the root, and then after root to the right subtree. In the right subtree, suppose you are having any more further nodes. Suppose here you are having G and H. So what will be the traversing order? So when the control will come to the right subtree of A, then what will happen? See, this is the root, this is the left subtree. Now in the left subtree you are again having a tree which contains G, F, H. So it will start from the left, root, right. G, F, H, then root, C, and then right. Right, we don't have anything. So your traversing order will be D, B, E, A, G, F, H, C. Okay. So like this we have to traverse a tree. The next traversal algorithm is your pre-order traversal. In case of pre-order traversal, steps will be, pre means first of all root will be traversed. So we'll visit the root node first, then we'll move on to left subtree. So we have to traverse left subtree. Basically what is happening, see, in these steps, in traversing left subtree or traversing right subtree, we are traversing or we are exploring it in a recursive manner. Okay, if for any subtree, okay, this is the subtree of A, right subtree of A, and in the right subtree of A, C is the root node, and this is again in the left of C, again you are having a subtree. Okay, so what we are doing, basically we have to recursively solve this. So when you will get a tree, again you have to apply order in this also, like G, F, H. In order means left, root, right. Okay, then again you will move to upward subtree. Then for that again you will apply the same algorithm here. We'll discuss one more example for this. Okay, so in pre-order, first of all root, then left, then right. Okay, so if we are taking the same example, B, C, D, E, F. If we are taking this example, now see, in this example pre-order says that first of all we have to traverse root node. What is the root node of this tree? A. Then control will go to the left subtree of A. Left subtree means this part. Now this part is, you have to treat this part as a separate tree. Again we have to apply pre-order in this. So for applying pre-order, what we have to do, again we have to start from the step 1. So we have to visit root node first. What is the root node in this left subtree? B. So B will be visited. Then you have to visit left. left of B is D, right of B is, next step is traverse right subtree. In the right you are having E, so E will come. Okay, now this is finished. Again control will go to the previous node. Root we have already visited, left subtree we have already visited. Now the third step says traverse right subtree. In the right subtree we are having C and F. Again we have to apply pre-order. In pre-order, root means C will be traversed and then left will be traversed. C is left as F. Right we don't have anything, so this process will stop. So recursively you have to perform these steps. First of all root, then you will move on to the left subtree. In left subtree again you will apply the pre-order, root, left, right. Again, if suppose you are having any more further nodes you are having, suppose in D you are having G, I, these two sub nodes, okay, child nodes. So in this case what will happen? See, first of all A will be traversed, then left subtree control will come, then B will be traversed because root node will be traversed first in case of pre-order. Then control will come to the left subtree. In left subtree we are having D, G, I. So again we'll treat it as a tree and we'll apply pre-order. In pre-order what we have to do? Root, left, right. So it will be D, G, I. Then control will go to the right subtree of this subpart. Okay, so it will be, for this traversal will be A, B, D, G, I, E, C, F. Okay. Now we'll move on to post order. In post order, third algorithm is post order traversal. In post order traversal, first step is traverse left subtree. Again I am saying that traversing subtree, when we are saying traverse subtree, that means you have to perform recursion in this case. Okay, you have to check if any further child nodes are there, then you have to apply the same post order traversal on that also. So right subtree and visit root node. So if we take the same example, B, C, D, E, F, then in that case, first of all left subtree. So left subtree means this part. Okay. Fine. So in this part again we have to treat it as separate tree. In this again we have to apply. So traverse left subtree. Traverse left subtree of this tree, that means D. So D will be traversed. Then right subtree, right part is E, and visit root node. Root node is B. Now this left subtree is traversed. Now the next one is traverse right subtree. That means this part. CF. Again we'll apply the post order in this subtree. So left subtree, that means F. Right we don't have anything. Root node, which is C. So it will be F, C. And at the last root node, which is A. Okay. So this will be the answer for post order traversal order. Okay. Now we'll take one more example and we'll apply all the three traversal orders. We'll try to find out all the orders. So suppose you are having A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Suppose we have taken this example. Now see, in order, what we have to do, in order, root will come in the middle. In pre-order, in order means in between. So root will be in between. Left, root, right. Okay. In pre-order, root will be first. Okay. Pre means root will be first. Root, left, right. In post-order, root will be last. So left, right, root. So we'll start with the in order. In order means left, root, right. So left, root, right. So in the left, again we'll treat it as a separate tree. Okay. So B will be the root node for that. Then again we'll apply left, root, right. Left will be this part. Okay. In this, D is the root node. For D, left subtree is this part. Again for this part, left subtree is F. So F, root, right. Okay. Left, root, right. Come back. Left part is over. Right, we don't have anything. Okay. So left, root, which is D. Right part is empty. Again we'll move on to B. Left part is over. We have traversed D, E, F, G. Now we have to traverse B, which is root, and right, which is H. Okay. Now whole left part is traversed. Now we have to traverse root node A. Then we'll move on to the right part. In right part, again we have to apply left, root, right. So left, root, right. Left is I, root is C, and right is again a subtree. Again we'll apply the same algorithm, left, root, right. So K, J, L. This will be the traversing order for, if we are following in order traversal scheme, then this will be the order. Okay, left, root, right. If we are checking for the pre-order, that means root, left, right. So root for whole tree is A. So A will be visited first. Left, then right. So we'll move on to the left part. Okay, in the left part again, root, left, right. Root is B. Left is this part. So in the left again, D will be the root. So root, left, right. Right, we don't have anything. In the left, we have again a tree. So in this also we'll apply root, left, right. So E, F, G. Okay, so we have visited whole left subtree. Root was visited, left subtree is visited. Now H will be visited, which is right part. So now whole left subtree is visited. We'll visit the root was visited, left subtree is visited. Now right subtree. Again apply root, left, right. So root, left, in right we have subtree. So again we'll apply the same algorithm, root, left, right. So J, K, L. Okay. Now post order, left, right, root. So left, right, root. Again we'll apply in this, left, right, root. In left, left, right, root. In left, left, right, root. So left, right, root, that means F, G, E. F, G, E. This part is finished. Right, we don't have anything, so we'll come to the root. This part is finished. Left, right, root. H, B. Okay, now full this part is covered, left part is covered. We'll move on to the right part. Root is always traversed at the last in case of post order. So in the right, again we'll apply left, right, root. Left we have I. And right again subtree is there. We'll apply the same algorithm, left, right, root. K, L, J. And root is C. Okay, so once now your left subtree is covered, right subtree is covered, what is left now? Root node. So it will be A. Fine. So what you have to do, with the help of these three algorithms, you can traverse all the nodes which are present in the tree in some order. In order, you have to visit left subtree first, then root node, then right subtree. In pre-order, root node first, then left tree, and then right subtree. In post order traversal, you have to traverse left subtree first, then right subtree, and then root node. So these are the orders. We have discussed 2 examples in this. So in case you have any confusion or doubt, you can post in the comment section. Thank you so much.